Hi, this is Liam Gaining on the Flashlight team. Flashlight in Salesforce can help you clean up in two important ways. And the first way is with the automated report cleanup. So here you can set a series of rules about what kinds of reports you want to be cleaned up. You can choose to notify report owners if you want to before the report gets archived and pull out of Salesforce. That's optional. And then you can have a series of reports that will be excluded from the results. We don't want to archive anything in a private folder from the managed package. We definitely don't want to archive anything that has a script or a workflow dependency. So even if this report is not being used by people, it's being used by code, the tool will be able to differentiate and won't archive anything like that. We can also specify how long it's been since the report has been used that we want to clean up. And for this, we'll say that anything that hasn't been used in at least 6 months is going to be archived. So as soon as you set the tool, it'll go out and run automatically, find everything that meets your criteria, and auto-archive it. And then it can continue to run automatically every month on whatever parameters you set to keep the org as cleaned up and user-friendly as possible so you don't have old useless reports hanging around. The second thing we can help you do is provide a series of reports to help with more manual cleanup. For now, we're going to look at our report showing unused fields. Here we're saying we're going to show any reports that haven't been populated in the last 180 days, and this is going to exclude any standard fields or fields in managed packages, and again, fields that are being used by any kind of automation like scripting or workflows. In the date last used column here, you can see when the field was last populated, and this handy column will show you what percentage of the places where this field appears have any data in them. And for most of these, it's going to be 0. In other words, they've never been used anywhere, and if they ever were at the beginning of Salesforce, the values have since been removed. I hope this has been useful. Feel free to install Flashlight for free into your own Salesforce account or send us an email if you have questions to flashlight@strongpoint.io.